Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must act now. Open eBay and sign in with the buyer account you used. Once there, go to Purchase History or Orders and locate the specific order. Check the item status and seller handling time, because if the seller already shipped, automatic cancellation is harder. If the order still shows not shipped or in checkout, use the cancel option immediately. Make sure to note the order number and item specifics. They'll speed up messaging and any claims you might need to open. If the cancel option appears, choose it and pick a reason, then submit. eBay notifies the seller. Once done, monitor messages for seller confirmation and refund method. If no cancel button, message the seller immediately, state the order number, concise reason, and ask them to cancel on their end. Explain why a prompt cancellation matters. Polite clarity increases compliance. If the seller agrees verbally, request they cancel via eBay or issue a refund through PayPal/managed payments, and confirm the transaction ID in messages. After cancellation, watch purchase history for a refund status. Card refunds can take 3-5 business days, while PayPal or eBay managed payments often update faster. If the seller refuses to cancel or the item ships anyway, open a case under the Resolution Center and choose Cancel or Item Not Received as appropriate. Make sure to attach your messages and screenshots. This evidence speeds decisions. If the dispute escalates, respond promptly to eBay requests and check your payment provider for any additional protections or chargeback steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.